Some simple strategies for successful weight loss. We are going to talk about fitting weight loss into your work week. Losing weight can be difficult if you hold a full or part-time job. Finding the time to exercise, as well as to eat properly, can be stressful. For working weight loss success, you must make time for yourself as much of a priority as possible. Use these tips to fit weight loss into your busy work week. Schedule time for exercise. Make an appointment in your calendar, and stick to it. You're meeting with your most important client, after all, yourself. If you struggle with being consistent, make an appointment at the gym with a trainer, or work out with a friend. This gives you a real deadline, and helps you to stick to your goal. Plan your meals. Take time once a week to plan your meals and snacks. Choose snacks that are both healthy and easy to pack. Pack your lunch instead of eating out for better control of your calorie intake. Fast food calories add up quickly, so if you must eat out, choose a salad or grilled sandwich. Cook ahead. Make time once a week, or even once a month, to cook large batches of food in advance. Brown ground turkey, chop lettuce and veggies for salads and snacks, grill chicken breast. Any preparation that you can do ahead of time will save you hours in the kitchen later in the week. Exercise at work. Many companies are beginning to offer fitness clubs on campus as an employee perk. If yours does, be sure to take advantage. If you're not so lucky, take time to walk on your lunch break. Getting up and moving around will also help you to avoid that afternoon slump. Use an exercise video for backup. We all have those super stressful days where there's simply no time to squeeze in a trip to the gym. Keep an exercise tape or two that you enjoy at home. Even one as simple as Leslie Sanson's Walk Away the Pounds, which is only around 15 minutes, will do. This will allow you to squeeze in your exercise before or after work, without setting foot outside your door. Fitting weight loss into your work week can be accomplished with a bit of prior planning. Take the time to plan ways to reach your fitness goals this week. You'll find that you're more productive and feel better, because you're doing something for yourself. After all, you will still be living in your body long after retirement, so make sure it's a healthy one.